In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Telegram to CoinMarketCap. For those of you new here, CoinMarketCap is a widely used platform for tracking cryptocurrency prices and trends. Many crypto enthusiasts find it incredibly beneficial to stay updated through Telegram notifications. So, let's dive right in and guide you through the process step by step. First, let's go to the CoinMarketCap website. You'll start by opening your preferred web browser and typing in coinmarketcap.com into the address bar. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already acquainted. The website is packed with tons of information on cryptocurrencies and exchange data, making it a treasure trove for crypto investors and enthusiasts alike. Now, draw your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the profile icon. It's a small silhouette of a person, usually placed next to the login or sign up options. Go ahead and click on this profile icon. If you're not logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials or create an account. Make sure you have access to your account details to proceed smoothly. Once logged in, you'll find a drop-down menu appearing beneath your profile icon. Here, you're going to look for the Settings option. Clicking on Settings will take you to a new page where you can adjust various personal preferences related to your CoinMarketCap account. Within the Settings page, one of the key features you're looking for is the Connect option. Usually, this is listed on the left-hand side menu, clearly marked with Connect. This part of the process is crucial as it allows you to integrate external applications like Telegram with your CoinMarketCap account. Clicking on Connect will open up a series of integration options for different services. At this point, you should be seeing an option to connect your Telegram account. CoinMarketCap might provide an on-screen prompt to guide you through linking your account directly. Keep your Telegram account handy on your phone or desktop to authenticate this connection when prompted. This connection is safe and enables you to access real-time alerts and updates about your favorite cryptocurrencies through the Telegram app. There you have it. You've successfully connected your Telegram to CoinMarketCap. By following these steps, you'll be able to receive timely notifications directly in your Telegram, ensuring you stay informed about the latest trends and any market fluctuations in the world of cryptocurrency. It's all about making your cryptocurrency tracking as seamless and efficient as possible, using the technology and resources right at your fingertips. I hope this guide was helpful and you feel more confident navigating both CoinMarketCap and integrating it with Telegram. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more useful tech tutorials.